Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So we took this in part exchange off a local family a couple of weeks ago. Audi A3 2-litre TDI SE DSG Sportback 5-door. So automatic 2-litre diesel, 64,000 miles from new. Very recently had the cam belt and the water pump replaced and had an engine service. MOT'd a month or two ago, so it's got a long MOT. Luxor beige, I call it, metallic bronzy colour. Lovely Vienna full leather trim, so 2-litre diesel auto with full leather, price 3,995, 64,000 miles. Rear park sensors, as you can see, alloy wheels. Inside, cream or beige, full leather, seats, paddle change for the automatic gearbox, paddles on the steering wheel, plus and minus, cruise control, automatic DSG, 5 doors. Recently had, I don't know if you can see, but they are new discs and pads on the rear. So, including the engine service, the cam belt, the water pump. It has brakes as well. 2-litre diesel, parcel shelf in there. The boot, absolutely immaculate, apart from that leaf or lump of mud. Right, spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, all present and correct. As I say, rear park sensors. Really nice example. Paintwork looks to be pretty original. Got a few little marks around it, but really for a 2006 car, it's in beautiful condition. Automatic with leather seats, electric mirrors. 64,767 miles from new. Leather seat, great condition. £3,995 for the 2006 Audi A3 2-litre TDI SE Sportback DSG automatic 5-door. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels. We're on Facebook and Instagram. This video will be hosted along with 2,000 other videos we've made over the last few years on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and subscribe, then you will be the first to get a little notification to your laptop or mobile or computer every time we upload a fresh car onto our stock profile. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.